Superteam Viva la Vida from Italy, Iran, and Brazil. Today, we're here to talk about climate change. But why do a few teenagers want to talk about climate change when it's a topic that some adults don't even want to talk about? We're doing it today because the planet in a few years will be ours. It'll be ours to take care of. It'll be ours to live in. And it's been destroyed, slowly, and we're not even realizing it. So, today, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. So maybe we can prevent some of these things from happening. Maybe we can have a better world to live in. Because I remind you, we only have one planet, and we need to treat it the best that we can. Thank you. This is Dobby. Dobby doesn't believe in climate change. He thinks that it's all a plot for the government to spy on us. Then, over here, we have Lucky the Turtle. Lucky the Turtle warns us about climate change, warns us about icebergs melting and polar bears having nowhere to live. He warns us about the temperatures on Earth rising and rising, until every single day will be summer. Thank you.
This earth awakens at his knowledge. To set only this earth and we should listen to well.
Now, we need hope. We need something that could change our world and make it better. So, we have a flower that will change the world. Here, take this flower and make the world a better place. Please, be conscious about your choices and help save the planet. Thank you.